You can see it branches into these two brachiocephalic trunks, the brachiocephalic vein. The brachiocephalic, we have the external jugular, sorry, the internal jugular here. This is the external jugular. The internal jugular meets the subclavian, yeah. So this is a subclavian vein. The subclavian vein and the internal jugular, they meet to form the brachiocephalic vein, and which drains into the superior vena cava. The subclavian vein, as it passes the first rib, we call it, in the axillary region, we call it axillary vein, which runs down as a brachial vein. The brachial vein actually receives blood from the lower parts of the hand, and then the blood flows this way through the subclavian vein. Blood from the brain comes through the jugular vein, it drains into the brachiocephalic, and then that goes into the heart, right? So it goes like this, okay. What else did I want to show you? This is internal, this is external jugular. This here is the inferior vena cava. We do see hepatic vein right here draining from the liver. These are renal veins, they are paired. Do we see suprarenal? We do not see suprarenal here. Okay, as it moves down, oh, we do see the gonadal veins. This gonadal vein drains into the inferior vena cava directly. This one is draining, the right one, sorry, the left one is draining into the renal vein. Do you see that? So that's a difference. And then it goes down, divides into common iliac vein. Common iliac vein goes deep here as the internal iliac vein runs down as the external iliac vein. This is left or right? Left, good. And it runs down as it passes the inguinal region. This is the femoral vein. Femoral vein here. I think that's it. That's all about the veins.
Is that the saphenous or the?
This one is the saphenous, because, and popliteal should be going here. I'm not sure if to call this popliteal. No. This is the saphenous. This is the femoral. Yeah, that's it.
So what was this one right here?
This one.
Internal femoral.
Probably the internal femoral. You should be a deep femoral, right? Probably, I'm not sure. Deep femoral is best seen in cats, not in this model. In cats, you can see the deep femoral like diving in the muscles.
Okay.
So that's it. And